century in this format, best of 119. Good strike rate, 133.7. This is why he's out there. He just tries to go onside, trying to stay tall on the ball, and drags it on.
Especially on this pitch and against him, he's a very skitty bowler. If you're gonna go straight with the straight bat. Not depend on the skipper now. Amla is looking good, 21 of 12. 41 for 2 now over the leg.
Oh dear, oh no. Has he got him? Yes, he's got to go. What a mix-up. Terrible, terrible call. It was yes and then no. 2 and 2 balls, it turns around so quickly.
Look at the excitement.